Making a start with some big news that's breaking this minute. A tweet there coming in from the Defense Minister. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh, they're reacting to the Indo-China clashes that have taken place, the unprecedented clash that took place, which resulted in 20 Indian soldiers being martyred. Rajnath Singh saying, and I quote, "The nation will never forget their bravery and sacrifice. My heart goes out to the families of the fallen soldiers. The nation stands shoulder to shoulder with them in this difficult hour. We are proud of the bravery and courage of India's brave hearts." That's the message and the tweet that is coming in, a statement coming in from the Defense Minister Rajnath Singh. Remember, we have been looking at several high-level meetings that are currently taking place in the national capital. Rajnath Singh, who had also met the Chief of the Defense Staff and 3 of the service chiefs to further assess the situation at the border, the ongoing standoff that has taken place in that unprecedented clash that took place at the India-China border. And now we're given to understand a statement that has now come in from the Defense Minister Rajnath Singh, saying the nation will never forget their bravery and sacrifice. Let me bring in our news editor Tanvi, who's joining me on the phone line with those updates. Tanvi, looks like the first reaction that has now come in from the centre. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh reacting to that unprecedented clash that took place and saying that the nation will never forget their bravery and sacrifice.
Yes, absolutely. As you see that, since the deaths were confirmed, since the 20 martyrs' lives lost was confirmed by the army last night, we've seen tributes pour in from everywhere. But this is the first reaction that we are getting from the government, and this is the defense minister, one of the senior-most leaders in the government, Modi cabinet, now tweeting out, Rajnath Singh tweeting that the nation will never forget their bravery and sacrifice. My heart goes out to the families of the fallen soldiers. The nation stands shoulder to shoulder with them in this difficult hour. We are proud of the bravery and the courage of India's brave hearts. There is a second follow-up to it by the defense minister, saying that the loss of soldiers in Galwan is deeply disturbing and painful. Our soldiers displayed exemplary courage and valor in the line of duty and sacrificed their lives in the highest traditions of the Indian Army. So it's important from the point of view that this is the first, statement that has come out by the government, by the defense minister himself. And obviously it is about the 20 brave lives that we have lost, an unprecedented loss that we've seen in the recent times, especially in an army-to-army clash that has happened on the Eastern Front. And the entire country today, Apurva, is going to be mourning this loss. But of course, we are also saluting their bravery, just like the defense minister has.
Absolutely. And also, Tanvi, we have been looking at several statements that have come in from the opposition parties as well, all questioning as to why the government, all of the government has not reacted to this. Why is the government silent at this point? Why is the Prime Minister silent at this point and not reacting to the loss of lives of 20 Indian soldiers who have been martyred?
Yes, well, as you know, Purva, I mean, the job of the opposition is to ask questions, is to raise these questions and seek information from the government. The government itself has been extremely busy, back-to-back meetings, closed-door conversations between the highest levels, the top ministers, as well as the chief defense staff, the service chiefs, information coming in. They're still looking at all the information is coming from that area, from that, the core, which is based in Ladakh, and all of that is being discussed internally. But the fact that now the defense minister has tweeted means that we can expect even the Prime Minister to offer his condolences and salute the brave hearts. That one can expect now to emerge, since the Raksha Mantri himself has tweeted this. Whether or not there will be any further detailed statement, perhaps the government itself needs to, get all the information, get the clarity, discuss, decide, and then move ahead. It's an unprecedented situation, and steps will be taken very, very carefully, irrespective of what it is that the opposition is demanding. They're just, playing to their role. The government has to do what they are there for.
Absolutely. All right, Tanvi, many thanks for joining us with your inputs on this. So, the first reaction that is coming in from the government, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh there, a statement that has come in from the Defence Minister on the unprecedented clashes that have taken place in which 20 Indian soldiers were martyred, saying that the nation will never forget their bravery and sacrifice.